Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Angeline Badjunaid at ngayon po magbibigay po ako ng sariling opinyon patungkol po sa isang instructional method na lecture discussion. Let us first discuss what is lecture discussion and its benefits. According to Agin and Kauchak 2007 and Roshine 1987, lecture discussion method is the teaching method that is designed to help students understand the organized body of knowledge, the topics that relate the facts, concepts, principles, and procedures, and to make the relationship between them explicit and clear. Lecture discussion method is regarded as the most comprehensively used pedagogical method within educational institutions at all levels. This is the method in which the instructors are imparting information to the students in terms of lesson plans and academic concepts within the classroom settings. Lecture discussion method are a variety of forums for open-ended, collaborative exchange of ideas among a teacher and students or among students for the purpose of furthering students' thinking, learning, problem-solving, understanding, or a lecture discussion is a sustained exchange between and among teachers and other students with the purpose of developing students' capabilities or skills, expanding students' understanding both shared and individual of a specific concepts or instructional goals. There are 5 benefits of lecture discussion. First, increases students' interest and engagement. Lectures mixed with discussion can help maintain students' focus. Second, provides instructor with feedback. As students answer questions, instructors can gauge whether the students understand the materials. Third, promotes preparation. If the instructor regularly engages students in a classroom discussion, then students are more likely to come in prepared in class, such as asking questions about assigned readings. Fourth, develops students' speaking skills. In many professional settings, speaking in a group is essential. Instructors prepare students to speak confidently in front of their peers. Lastly, controls the classroom environment. If a student is not paying attention in class, the instructor can call upon them so he or she can focus in class better. Upang magamit ng maayos ang lecture discussion, mahalaga ang maayos na paghahanda ng guro. Dapat niyang suriin at pag-aralan ang mga impormasyon na kanyang ibabahagi at tiyakin na malinaw at maliwanag ang kanyang pagpapaliwanag. Dapat din niyang magkaroon ng mga aktibidad o tanong na magpapahikayat sa mga mag-aaral na makilahok at magbahagi ng kanilang mga ideya. Sa bahagi ng mga mag-aaral, mahalaga ang aktibong pakikilahok, pakikinig at pagpapahayag ng kanilang mga opinyon at katanungan. Para naman sa aking sariling opinyon, ang lecture discussion ay isa sa mga epektibong paraan ng pagtuturo dahil nagkakaroon ang mga mag-aaral ng focus sa kanilang inaaral or nagkakaroon sila ng focus sa itinuturo ng kanilang guro. Dahil kung wala kang focus sa itinuturo ng guro, maaaring hindi ka makasagot sa mga tanong na ibabato sa iyo ng guro pagkatapos ng lecture. Ito rin ay nagbibigay ng opportunity sa mga mag-aaral na magbahagi ng kanilang mga sariling ideya o opinyon. Through discussion, there is deeper understanding and integration of ideas. Lecture discussion enables students to develop their critical thinking and analysis and expand their speaking and listening skills. Sa huli, ito ay naglalayong magbigay ng isang mas malalim at mas kumpletong pag-uunawa sa mga paksa na tinatalakay sa loob ng silid-aralan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.